Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a few ways to reset the audio and sound settings on your Samsung TV. Now you may want to do this if you're having sound issues. So this, for example, if your TV is not outputting sound, if the sound is delayed, if you're hearing echoes, just stuff like that. Okay, so all you're going to do is first press the home button. And you're going to go over to settings. On some TVs it's all settings. There's gear icon. Then you're going to go down to sound and go to expert settings. Now a few options. So first press reset sound and just confirm and see if that works. If resetting the sound does not work, then unplug all the HDMIs on your TV and plug back in. And if that does not work, then you're going to unplug the power on your TV for 1 minute, then plug back in. Alright guys, tell me in the comments below if one of these helped. And as always, thanks for watching.